DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
YouTube, what's good YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Yeah, the Dan is back in the lab, you know. Yeah man gang, welcome on this Sunday. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. Hope you're enjoying the Sunday. Yeah, we're back with another one. Deva Bratt seemed to not be easing up. Yeah man, from the dog drop homage letter from L part 1 and 2. Look like he hasn't eased up because he's still dropping songs. I already want to watch. We locked everything in drop after that. Now in drop drip boss. I'm gonna see where dog I deal with. Yeah man, look like Deva Bratt is in full effect. Look like the dog now ease up. He got everybody attention and look like the dog just start releasing track again. But with their feet, I'm gonna check it out where dog I deal with. Now we'll vibe. Let's get it. Deva Bratt, drip boss, let's get it, gang.
Hey, a Margella, I saw we flash it. Gucci white like marshmallow, fi match it. Moolah in a duffel bag and no pocket. Not side like the city, so we da
white like marshmallow for match it. Come on.
up on a lock it. A saucy floss the thing there. A saucy floss the thing there. A saucy floss the thing there.
Okay, aye.
Every girl I say, see the drip boss there. Me give them cut off jeans and sneakers. Make be a girl bring me features. When me a smoke and no cheapers. Link Archie and get a 30G bag. Girl.
Hold on. What do you mean man give them cut off jeans and sneakers? Are you talking about Cartel song? Weird.
Why not go real bad? I grab up on me seat bag. I tell me about T-bag. Tell never know what's up the G-bag. Me make she suck me D and tell her me so circling. I saw we clean. I can rock Louis from head to my toes. All my tennis shoes, they all have a rose.
Oh my, Deva full of flow, man. Yo.
Designer, all of my clothes. Cavalli, Fendi, Givenchy, me chose. We detect the real from the fake where the pros.
Yeah. My favorite designer, Roberto Cavalli. That's one of my favorite designers when it comes to shoes, isn't it?
Black proud, I was bossing in the crowd. No less if it's check on, man, I said the thing loud. You said the smoke cloud, yo, we a smoke cloud. So no ask me get it, me not tell you. Dog, me say me not tell you.
Oh, ask me when me get it, me not tell you.
Me say me not tell you. Dog, me say me not tell you. Me give them cut off jeans and sneakers. Make be a girl bring me features. When me a smoke and no cheapers. Link Archie and get a 30G bag. Girl a wine a go on real bad. I grab up on me.
This bad. Come here. Let's go back with the dancer. Come here.
Lead bag a tell me about T-bag. Tell never know what's up the G-bag. Me make she suck me D and tell her me so circling. I saw we clean. Designer wear, no China wear. Me have all type and all kind of gear.
China wear, not China wear. We have all types of gears. Come on, man.
Can look like a beer. The drip from me eyes look like a flare. Jump fence in a Prada, now it might a tear. The new clothes them when me order, yo, they might appear.
I'm saying jump fence in a Prada, now it might tear.
Run go shopping at Mississauga, take a flight go there. Call me psycho, if me no send Tycho, me send me wife go there. Regular, me and me woman, me go shopping at Milan. As me walk in at the store, a champagne in a me hand.
Hey, this is Saucy Floss. I mean, drip boss, come here.
But I'm Versace, Dolce & Gabbana. Them know me no ramp with name brand fashion. A Saucy Floss, the thing there. A Saucy Floss, the thing there. A Saucy Floss, the thing there. Every girl I say, see the drip boss there. In a cut off jeans and sneakers. Make be a girl bring me features.
Tier man, easy never.
When me a smoke and no cheapers. Link Archie and get a 30G bag. Girl a wine a go on real bad. I grab up on me seat bag. I tell me about T-bag. Tell me
about go on real bag. Grab up on me seat bag. I tell me about T. Hey, hey, Deva still got it, you know. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I know what's up the G-bag. Me make she suck me D and tell her me so circling. I saw we clean. Hey, a Margella, I saw we flash it. Gucci white like marshmallow, fi match it. Moolah in a duffel bag and no pocket. Not side like the city, so we da cup round a lock it. In a cut off jeans and sneakers.
Easy that man.
Me say me not tell you. In a cut off jeans and sneakers. I saw we clean.
You know me, cut off jeans and sneak. Matter of fact, me have jeans on me that go cut right now. No, real shit though. No, I've been meaning to cut these jeans and shit. You know what I'm saying? One of my jeans no longer viable as I've gone up. And so I was going to body turn it into our shots, no joke. And then I was, go to Jesus, he can. Just I say, you may have 2 pants in there, I mean, if you turn my shots because they outlive their life as a pants. You see me, I say? But yeah, man, gang, that's Deva back with Drip Pass, aka Saucy Floss. I mean, I lie, he was dripping. It was straight saucy the whole track. You see me, I say? No joke, it was straight saucy the whole track. So, like, if I'm gonna show the artist some love and support, you know, dancing. You see me, I say? And yeah. You know, so the dancing. Also, gang, let me know if your part was B6 million, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up in the comment section. You already know. Back in full effect. We only like 3 subs away from 8,000 subscribers, gang. You don't know. This year we're going crazy. We're going above and beyond. You see me? We achieving and passing our goal, all our goals this year. You see me as a gang? Yeah, man, gang. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. Hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know. Road to 10K, road to 20K, 25K, 50K, 100K, a million. Stop. Next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Wow.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.